Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. And as usual, we are going to look at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we are still making higher highs and higher lows. And why do I say this? Because if you look here, we are creating higher highs, and higher lows. So for the coming week, what I'm expecting is this: for the fact that we are still bullish. If you look closely here, you can see that we have a fair value gap here. Let me mark that out. So we have a fair value gap here, and also we have another fair value gap here. So I'm looking for the continuation of the prevailing trend, which is the bullish trend, as you can see. So what I'll be looking forward to is for price to retrace into any of this point of interest before moving away, right? So we have the first point of interest here, or we might have something like this where price will move down to this point of interest. You know, if it wants to do a deeper retracement, that's what we're going to get. So this is what I'm going to be looking for the upcoming week, right? And if that is the case, we are going to be we are going to be targeting old highs and old lows. So where is the target? You can see we've taken out this one already. We've taken out this one. So the first target is going to be this high created here. Right, so this will be my target. If the if price is wanting to retrace to any of this before pushing up, this will be the first target. Of course, to get another target, you need to look back on the price chart to see if there's an old high involved. So to do that, we need to go up to the weekly time frame to see if we have any other old high in sight. So if you look closely here, you have this old high, right? There's an old high we have here. We have this old high. Let me mark that out. So we have one here, and we have another one here. If you look closely, so these are the old highs that we have on the weekly charts. So if you go down to if you go back to the daily chart, you can see we have one here. This first one we drew here has already been taken out, so let's get rid of that. So if you zoom out, you're going to see the other one here. So this is the after this level. Once you take out this level, this will be the next level that we'll be aiming for. So with that in mind, let's transition to Euro USD and see what we have there. Now, so on Euro USD, we have a bearish trend, because if you have a bullish DXY, we'll have a bearish Euro USD. So what is the plan on Euro USD? The plan is towards look for a continuation trade. So as you can see here, we have the fair value gap here. So on Euro USD, we just have one fair value gap. So this is the fair value gap. So what we're looking forward to is this: for price towards retrace into this fair value gap before continuation. So if you're going to have that, where are our targets? So our targets are going to be, first of all, we are going to be taking out this old low here. As you can see, this old low created here. Then if after that target is taken out, if it still wants to keep going down, we have another target here in form of this old low also. So that is another target. You can see this old low coincides, that is, it's the same with this one. So we have equal lows here. So to note the next targets, we need to go over to the weekly time frame to see if we have any other targets at that low here. So we have, yes, we have targets. So we have this one here. Let's mark that out. We have this one here, right? Let me mark that out. If you go back to the daily time frame, you are going to see that we have this target, we have this target here, and we have this target here. So guys, that's my expectation for the coming week. So always do remember to practice good risk management of your accounts when taking any of these trades. That'll be all for this video. I'll see you all in the next video.